Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to review these two. So one is from Inside Cosmetics. It is the lip and cheek tint, and the other one is L18 two timing lip and cheek tints. I was eyeing these two for the longest time, but every time I wanted to get my hands, it is always out of stock. Finally, I could get my hands on. I want to see why this product is so loved by everyone, because these two just went viral on Instagram and on YouTube. So I really wanted to try my hands on them, and today I am going to share my thoughts whether these are worth the hype or not. So let's get started with today's video. So let me start with the L18 two timing lip and cheek tint. I have got the shade Candy Floss. There are total 2 shades and it retails for ₹150, wherein you get 4 ml of quantity, easily available everywhere, but every time you want to get your hands on, it's always out of stock. I think it's on high demand. Next thing, the packaging is really cute. It comes in this kind of outer packaging, which is also very cute, and on the packaging it says it's a long wearing and hydrating formula. Now let's see the inner packaging. I know you all must have seen by now, but this is my first time. So yes, this is how the inner packaging comes in, and it is a plastic bottle which is very tiny teeny, and I just love it's going to fit my bag, and it's so travel friendly, it's so sleek, oh my god. And it comes in this kind of doe foot applicator which is very cushiony. It's very soft on your skin, and I really love how it applies. It does have a fragrance. It is a watery tint. I have seen that Etude House does have this kind of water tint above 400. So I think L18 has done a great job to make it affordable and reachable to each and every customer. The shade Candy Floss is a beautiful bright pink shade that is going to suit medium to deeper skin tones, and I have noticed that it is very pigmented. With the time it gets more deeper, so if you are deeper skin tone, you can have it and you can use it for your everyday wear. You can use it on your bare skin and top of any foundation. It works both the ways. I liked it both the ways. I had no issues whatsoever. I'm not trying this product for the first time. Since the time I received it, I was trying it out, and I really loved how it felt on my skin. It's not very heavy, it's very hydrating, but one thing you will have to keep in mind, because the product is hell pigmented, you just need a teeny tiny amount, and on that you will have to blend it really well, because this dries up pretty fast, and if it sets, it becomes very difficult and takes a lot of effort to blend out, and it is going to last on your skin for 6 to 7 hours straight. Now if you're using this as your lip tint or a lip stain, you will have to have a moisturizing base underneath, because if you use it on its own, like on the dry lips, it is going to tug and pull and get patchy. So use a light layer of a lip balm or a lip oil and then spread it out, and it gives you a beautiful flush of color to your lips. Also, if you're using this as your lip tint, you will need several touch-ups, because this is going to come off if you are eating or drinking anything oily. Now coming to the Inside Cosmetics cheek tint blush, this retails for ₹149, wherein you get 3 beautiful vibrant shades and you get 7 grams of product. This is the outer packaging, which is also very cute and color coded. At the back you'll find the rest of the detail. It is a PETA certified brand. Their products are vegan and cruelty free. The shade that I have is Beetroot Popsicle, which again is a beautiful vibrant deep pink shade, and this is the inner packaging, which is very cute and looks similar to Dear Darling from Etude House, but the Etude House product retails for ₹500 or under ₹500, but this one product is under ₹150, you guys. Now coming to the formulation, it is a gel based water tint that is similar to L18 one, but this is more pigmented and it is very easy to blend. It does not set that quickly and it spreads out really very well. Today I use this on the left hand side of my cheek, and yes, it looks very beautiful on a brown skin girls. Like if you are my skin tone or deeper than my skin tone, this shade is going to look beautiful. And both of these products get deeper by the time, and it's very lightweight, absolutely pigmented. The Vibrant Beetroot Popsicle is my perfect, everyday shade, because I have worn this on its own, and even today on top of the foundation, I really love the finish. It's absolutely lightweight. It is not going to come off if you are touching, because nothing comes off on my finger. It does not emphasize any of my texture. Both of these does not emphasize any of the texture or clings to any of my dry patches. It just spreads out smoothly, especially the Inside Cosmetics one spreads out very smoothly. Also, it is very long wearing. For up to 7 hours it stayed on my bare skin. I did not have to touch up. But if you're using this on your lip as a lip tint, then you will require several retouch-ups if you are eating or drinking anything. I have noticed one thing, that it is not as drying as the L18 one. Like if you do not have a moisturized lip, or if you do not have a moisturizing base, then too you can pull off this product, because it spreads very easily, because it is a gel based product. And if you have a moisturizing base, it will make sure that it stays on for a long time, unless and until if you're eating anything. Today on my lips, I use the shade Beetroot Popsicle from Inside Cosmetics. I have a dark pigmented lips, but still it looks beautiful. It does show up on my lips. And what I did is, to give a very juicy lips, I used my La Mer tinted lip oil in the shade Berry Eyes, and both of these are pairing so well. Just look at my lips. It is so hydrating and so juicy. Both of these products gets a total thumbs up from my end. I would love to recommend it to all of you. If you still haven't got these, please make sure to have one of each in your collection, because these are worth trying. I cannot choose just one because I love both of them. Alright you guys, so this was the quick review on Inside Cosmetics and L18 Lip and Cheek Tint. If you like today's content, please make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social media handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.